how to fix messages not sending in the Business Meta Suite. So if you can't send a message, I'm going to show you 2 ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you need to try doing is just going and clearing the cache. So click on the icon next to the address bar and then press Cookies and Site Data. You can then press Manage On-Device Site Data and just go and click on the trash icon next to all of these different options. Once you've cleared all of the cache, go and press Done and then try refreshing the page. Now, if you still can't send or receive messages, it's likely you don't have the correct permissions set up on your account. So what you can do is click on your profile name in the top left-hand side, go and select your business portfolio, and then once you're signed into your account, click on Pages from the left-hand side. You can then go and select your Facebook page, and if you scroll down, you'll find all of your different permissions. So you can see right here that here is my account and it has full control, and you basically need to make sure you have the correct permissions set up to send and receive messages. So you can always click on the Manage button next to that particular user, and you can make sure messages and calls are turned on like this. You can also add people to your account by clicking People in the left-hand side, and you can go and invite people to help you manage your messages on the Meta Suite.